So, I know I just posted a video, but I kind of wanted to show you guys how much I suck at the clarinet. I suck even more on the clarinet than I do at singing. So, you guys might not recognize this, but I'm not going to play the second part of it because I can't. I'm in 7th grade band and I can't. I mean, it just jumbles up in my head. That's why I can't. But let's see if you guys can recognize this. And I'll talk for a minute about why I can't play it. And then I'll tell you what it was. It's not working. Right, go wait 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3. And the only reason I can't play that is because of all the high notes. And I didn't need to order the pad for my clarinet because it's missing right here. So I can't play my high notes. Oh! Comment if I sound like a duck. My clarinet, comment if my clarinet sounds like a duck. Because that's what my boyfriend told me. My boyfriend told me my clarinet sounded like a duck. He always picks on me about it and he calls me a duck. And I can't follow people unless I hold on to something from him. So whenever I hold on to his hood, he would just start waddling like he's some kind of goose. Because it's not a duck, I can tell you that. But yeah, comment if I sound like a duck. And that was me horribly playing We Will Rock You, performed by Queen. And what's even worse is this coming Friday. It's going to be a nightmare. I can't play any of the songs that we have been practicing. The best one I can play is We Will Rock You. I can't do Firework. I can't do Raise the Flag, I think it is. I just can't do it. See, I'll try to show you Firework. See what I mean? That's Firework. This is the beginning. This is all that I know of Raise the Flag. That's all I know. I can't play that. I can't play Firework, and I can kind of play, I guess, still Fireworks. I can still kind of play We Will Rock You. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how crappy I am at the clarinet. And that my singing is honestly better than me playing the clarinet. I might move to the oboe. I'll talk to my parents and my band teacher about it. But yeah. Out. Oh, no, never mind. No, I can't tell you. Bye. Peace out.